read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Mayum Natwi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's letter is lowercase letter y. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to identify lowercase letter y, learn the words that start with the sound of letter y. Y, y, y. Y, y, y. Look at this image. Here are just two images, yak and yacht. Okay, so you could show yellow paint, jojo. Yes, you're right. Mango is also yellow. Its color is yellow. You could ask, what is the color of this mango? It's yellow. Very good. Different objects that start with the letter Y, you could visualize them and ask different questions. After that, we will teach these two vocabulary words and this statement and ask the questions. The yak stands on the shore while the yacht sails away. Now, ask the question, where is yak stands? On the shore. On the shore. What is the yacht doing? It's sailing away. It's sailing away. It's sailing away. After that, it's time to mime. Pretend like that you are eating yogurt. You could visualize the image of yogurt, or you could act that you are eating yogurt. Okay? I hope so. You understood how to teach lowercase letter y, its formation. Start from second line, come down, turn the loop, go up, come straight down, make a loop. It will make small y. The letter name is y. The sound of y is y. Y, y, yo, yo, y, y, yo, yo. I hope so. You understood how you have to teach. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.